We're gathered here today to witness something beautiful. The union of two people who have chosen to commit themselves not just to love, but to partnership, to building a life together with intention, humor, and a whole lot of joy. Their spark went beyond a shared interest or a good conversation. It was a deeper level, one that's more about chemistry, how they support, challenge, and laugh with each other every day. And today, Matt and Sara are choosing all of that.
The rest of our lives, the rest of our lives, the rest of our lives, oh, the rest of our lives.
Sara, exactly 3 years and 4 months ago, I met you for the very first time. From that day, I've always known that you were special. I've always told you and anyone who asks that you were the most wholesome person I've ever met. The way you interact with others, command the room effortlessly, the way you carry yourself every day.
With your head in mine, everything is fine. We've still got the rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. The rest of our lives. Oh, the rest of our lives.
To my sweet Matt, I can and have talked about our love for hours at a time. Meeting you was like finding the other half of myself. From our first date till now, you have shown me and everyone around us what true love looks like. Everyone here who has known me all throughout different stages of my life can tell you that my happiest era has been being your partner.
For the rest of our lives. For the rest of our lives. Oh.
I can't believe I'm crying.
Me too, but I can believe that.
Don't get up.
It's not just about the highs, it's about being there for each other, even when the highs are behind you and the world gets just a touch quieter. It's about showing up, even when it's tough, and saying, I'm with you, no matter what. Now, being one half of a partnership isn't about losing yourself. It's about bringing your whole self, bringing yourself fully, and building something bigger together.
Sun-soaked shores, lost in the evening rain. You're all
I promise to fill up your water bottle every night, even if I'm already extremely comfortable in bed. I promise to love you unconditionally every day, forever. I promise to always put you and our marriage first. I promise to be honest, faithful, loyal, respectful, and kind. I promise to always be in your corner, to listen, to laugh, to cry, to comfort, to depend on, and to trust. I love you with all of my heart, and these are the promises I will keep with me as long as I live.
I promise to always be your parrot when we're singing around the house, which will likely be the easiest promise for me to keep since I don't even realize I'm doing it. I promise to give you head scratches whenever you want them. I promise to always be your doubles partner whenever we have a volleyball tournament. I promise to always go birding with you and our sweet Jessie. I promise to travel the world with you. And most importantly, I promise to always love you boldly every moment that I can. My sweet Matt, my soulmate, my person. I am so lucky I get to call you mine every day. I love you forever.
I wasn't listening.
Matt and Sara, you've exchanged your vows and rings and have made a promise to choose each other every day inside of all of these witnesses and myself. By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church and the great state of Maryland, and because you two just really belong together, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Matt, you may kiss your bride. I'm honored to introduce you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Bradford.
Hey Matt and Sarah, what a beautiful wedding and a beautiful venue. We're so happy to be here and celebrate you guys.
It was amazing. We loved it. I love the water bottle part.
I don't want to live forever.
Congratulations! Your ceremony was beautiful. I love the water bottle. That's like the most important thing ever.
Congratulations, Matt and Sarah. I'm so happy for you guys, and your ceremony was absolutely beautiful. Sarah, you looked amazing. I wish you guys a lifetime of happiness. Love you.
Let me be the one to hold you till the sun wakes up. You know I see.
Congratulations, Matt and Sarah. The ceremony was beautiful, emotional. We look forward to your future, and we love you both.
I would say no. I don't need answers. What we're here for. There's only one thing.
I could go on and on about how Sara is like a second mom to me, how we've always connected on this deeper level and learned a lot as kids that no one else quite understands, how a Taurus and a Pisces actually go hand in hand, how Sara is one of the kindest, most gentle souls I've ever known.
Matt is nice, Matt is athletic, and Matt is smart. But to me, the thing that really stands out about Matt is his consideration for others. Matt's never one to push anyone out of their comfort zone, and he's also not really one to veer too far outside of his. Even going back to our first meeting at camp, Matt could tell I was not the strongest dribbler, and he kindly offered to take the ball up the court, which I happily obliged.
That's what you are to me. Already in the good life. Nothing outside